The top 10 science fiction book series. Number 10, Rama series by Arthur Clarke and Gentry Lee. Rendezvous with Rama, the first in the Rama series, was published in 1972. It is set in the 22nd century when a 30-mile long cylindrical object passes through the solar system of Earth. It is revealed to be an alien starship, and man decides to intercept it in order to unlock its mysteries. This is a brilliant book and was accordingly given both the Hugo and Nebula Awards upon its release. Number 9, Dune series by Frank Herbert. The Dune universe is the political, scientific, and social setting of this six-book series of science fiction meets fantasy books. The first book, Dune, was extremely popular and was ultimately adapted into a film by David Lynch. It was also televised as a miniseries in 2000 and in 2003. Its first two sequels also appeared in as miniseries. And number 8, Hichi Saga by Frederick Powell. Fred, Frederick Powell's Hichi are an extremely advanced star traveling race that explored Earth's solar system millennia ago, disappearing without a trace before man began space exploration. They originated as a plot device to allow Powell to give a plausible reason for humans to make the effort of colonizing the inhospitable planet Venus. Number 7, The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy by Douglas Adams. The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy is a comedy in science fiction form. It was originally a radio broadcast on BBC Radio 4, later adapted into various other formats. The first series was six self-contained episodes, each ending with the planet Earth being destroyed in a different way. Number 6, Ringworld by Larry Niven. Ringworld was the 1970 winner of both the Hugo and Nebula awards. It is considered to be one of the classic of science fiction literature and was followed by three sequels. The series is set around the year 2855. Two humans and two aliens explore a mysterious ring world, a large artificial ring shaped structure surrounding a star. Number 5, Ender's Game series by Orson Scott Card. This series started with a small novel, Ender's Game, which was later expanded into a full sized novel into the same name. It is now consists of 9 novels, 10 short stories, and 20 yet to be published books. The first two novels in the series both won the Hugo and Nebula Awards and are considered to be among the most influential science fiction books of the 1980s. Number 4, Future History series by Robert Heinlein. Heinlein Futures History described the future of the human race from the middle of the 20th to the early 23rd century. He wrote most of the series early in his career between 1939 to 1941 and 1945 to 1950. This series primarily defines a core group of stories. Number 3, Barsoom series by Edgar Rice Burroughs. Barsoom is a fictional version of the planet Mars invented by Burroughs for his series of stories. In 1911, he began his career as a writer with A Princess of Mars. Several sequels followed, developing the planet in much greater detail. Number 2, Lensman series by E. E. Smith. The Lensman series by E. E. Smith introduced many innovative concepts into the science fiction genre. It was also a runner-up for the Hugo all the time all-time best series award. The series began with a triplanetary 2 billion years before the present day, and it is based in a universe with a few life forms and peaceful Arisian race understands life and life forces in a way that no other race does, and as a result they create the lens, an object which gives its wearer a variety of special metal capabilities, including those needed to enforce the law on alien planets and to bridge the communication gap between different forms. Number 1, Foundation series by Isaac Asimov. The Foundation series is a epic series of books written over a span of 44 years. It contains 7 volumes, all closely linked. The term Foundation series is also sometimes used to include the Robot series and the Empire series, all of which are set in the same fictional universe. Including these other series, there are a total 15 novels and dozens of short stories. So, these are the top 10 science fiction books series